Alright, so with a Christmas tree, it's important to remove the section, this bit here, that's been in the water. Okay, so the bird feeder shape is cut out, and it gets narrower towards the top, so we're going to want the birds to eat from this end, so we're going to hang it that way up. I recommend using some sort of fixing for the top of this. So I've got this screw bolt here, screw eye. Okay, so there we go. That's the screw hook in. I have this rusty old pair that I use for things like this. They're actually very sharp still, they just don't look it. So you don't want too many perches for the birds, because then that will encourage predators. Now, the largest spade bit I've got is 22mm, so I'll use that. So, get your drill bit and drill the holes. Now remember to clean up the hole with a bit of sandpaper if you want. So that hole's about the right depth now. So then one here might be nice. Now I love using old Delta sander pads to do this with. Great for getting into those holes. Now, if you haven't seen my video on the bird feeder, can I suggest you go and watch that, because these two things will go quite well together. And tie it off once more. Now grab a pair of scissors and snip the ends of the string whilst keeping the loop intact. Okay, now we're essentially just going to twist this around my finger. Okay, once you've done that, loop it back through again, bearing in mind that you don't want to lose any of the ravelled up bit that you've just done. I'm going to double knot this bit and then just trim the ends. And there you have a really basic bird feeder.